How you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and today I'm gonna be attempting to install at least one of my Koozer hubs on the stock rear axle wheel. This is something that I have never done, so I'm gonna learn, probably watch a few YouTube videos while I'm doing it. I'm not gonna explain this because I'm not a professional doing it. I know the first thing you gotta do is unspoke it, so I think that part's gonna go pretty well. And I'm probably just gonna time lapse a little bit if I can, but this is not an instructional video because at the end of the day, I don't know if I'm gonna have to take it somewhere else to get it trued out. So, before I start, please go ahead and consider subscribing, turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and check out my other videos. We do a lot of mountain bike stuff over here. Other than that, let's attempt to do this. Damn, cat-like reflexes. All right, so unspoken went easy. I was using the Thru tool, but then the screwdriver from the back, because at the back it's kind of like a flat head. That speed up the process a lot. So all I gotta do, I clean up the wheel. All I gotta do is put these things back into the new one. And I should be set, I guess. So what I can notice is that one of them goes from under and the other one goes from up. So I'm just gonna transfer them over here and see how that goes. All right, so that's done, and just because I have it, we're gonna head and weigh them. .05 pounds, 17 ounces, 475 grams. Now the new one. 0.71 pounds, 11.5 ounces, 320 grams. So not bad, saving weight already. And why not? The wheel by itself, let's see, 1.8 pounds, ounces, grams. All right, let's attempt to do this now. Well, this took me, I don't know, maybe about 40 minutes to lace it up. I think I did it right. Now, of course, I have to tighten up all the spokes and through it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that myself or take it to the shop, but for now, all I did was follow a video on YouTube. I'll leave a link for it in the description because he explains it way better than I can. So other than that, I did notice that it was a little bit difficult on the last set of spokes because you have to go in a certain pattern. And the last one, of course, you have to bend it, twist and things like that, but it actually goes through. So using the pivot point, the valve stem point as a reference, that's where you get started and then go from there. Other than that, stay tuned. If of course you already know this is gonna go on the blue Schwinn Axum, and yeah, I just wanted to tackle this by myself. Like I said, it's already laced up. I don't know if I'm gonna end up throwing it or not, or take it to a shop, because the last time the shop took me like, they charged me $16, so might be worth doing that. We'll see. Other than that, that is gonna be it for this one. I hope that you like this video. I really hope that the time lapse actually got caught up, because see, the screen was black the whole time, but we'll see. I guess once I'm editing this video, we'll know if it actually made it. Other than that, that's it for this one. If you want to support the channel, check the affiliate links in the description below. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. That way you don't miss any future content. That's it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.